Do you constantly second-guess yourself? Worry what people think of you? Feel not good enough no matter how much you try? If that's you, you're not broken. You're just dealing with something millions of people face every day: insecurity. And in today's video, we're going to break it down: where insecurity comes from, how it shows up in daily life, and how you can start building real confidence from within. Whether it's in relationships, at work, or even when you look in the mirror, these tools will help you stop the cycle of self-doubt. What is insecurity really? Insecurity is that inner voice that whispers, "You're not smart enough. You're not attractive enough. You're not worthy." It's a lack of self-trust and self-worth. It tells you that something is missing inside you, and it convinces you that other people are better, more capable, or more lovable than you. Insecurity can show up as self-doubt, comparison, people-pleasing, imposter syndrome, fear of abandonment, jealousy in relationships. But here's the truth: insecurity isn't your identity. It's a pattern, and patterns can be changed. Where does insecurity come from? To change insecurity, we have to understand its roots. Most insecurity begins in childhood or early social experiences, such as constant criticism or unrealistic expectations, lack of emotional validation, being compared to others, rejection or bullying, unstable relationships, or trauma. These experiences plant a belief: I am not enough as I am. And so we start performing for love, hiding parts of ourselves, or overachieving to earn worth. But that strategy, it's exhausting, and it reinforces the insecurity we're trying to escape. Signs you're being controlled by insecurity. If you recognize these patterns, insecurity might be holding you back. You constantly compare yourself to others. You seek approval or validation before making decisions. You feel jealous easily or fear being left out. You downplay your achievements or apologize too much. You sabotage opportunities because you don't feel ready or deserving. You overthink everything you say or do. These are not flaws. They're coping responses to feeling unworthy. How to start dealing with insecurity. Let's talk solutions. These steps don't require you to become a different person, just a more honest, self-compassionate version of you. 1. Name the inner critic. That voice that says you can't? Give it a name. Observe it. Realize it's not you. It's a script. Try saying, "That's just insecurity talking, not the truth." 2. Interrupt comparison. When you catch yourself comparing your life, your body, or your work, pause. Ask, what am I really afraid of? Use comparison as a signal, not a truth. 3. Build small wins. Confidence doesn't come from perfection. It comes from doing something, surviving it, and learning you can handle it. Start with small challenges. Stack small wins. 4. Speak kindly to yourself. Would you say to a friend what you say to yourself? Probably not. Shift your self-talk. Use affirmations that feel realistic, not fake. Try, "I am learning to trust myself. It's okay to be imperfect. I am allowed to take up space." 5. Set boundaries. Insecure people often say yes out of fear. But when you set healthy boundaries, you teach yourself, "My needs matter too." Start small. Even saying, "I need time to think," is a powerful act of self-respect. 6. Unfollow or mute triggers. Your feed is programming your brain. If you're constantly exposed to idealized beauty, success, or lifestyle content, it's no wonder you feel behind. Curate your space. Follow people who are real, not just polished. 7. Therapy or journaling. Explore the roots. Ask, where did I learn I'm not enough? Journaling or therapy can uncover deep patterns and help you rewrite them. Dealing with insecurity in relationships. Insecurity often shows up strongest in love. You might fear abandonment, become overly jealous, or overcompensate to earn someone's love. Here's the fix. Communicate your feelings clearly. Don't assume rejection. Ask for clarification. Learn to sit with discomfort without chasing reassurance. Insecure relationships become secure, not through control, but through honesty and healing. Insecurity isn't who you are. It's something you learned. And just like you learned it, you can unlearn it with self-awareness, compassion, and practice. No one is confident all the time, but you can feel secure in who you are, even with your flaws. The work starts small, right here, right now. If this helped, hit that like button. Subscribe for more whiteboard mental health videos weekly. Comment below. What's one insecurity you're working through this year? You're not alone. You're not broken. You're already enough.
And don't forget to check out the links in the description to our website, www.pearlsforhope.com, for resources and support.